Good morning students. Today we will be studying about female reproductive system. The female reproductive system is a complex group of organs responsible for reproduction, menstruation and hormone production. It plays a crucial role in humans, enabling fertilization, pregnancy and childbirth. So today we will be studying about anatomy of female reproductive system. So this is a internal female reproductive system which includes vagina, cervix, uterus, fallopian tubes and ovaries. Cervix starts after the vagina ends. These are ovaries. These are oval and small shaped glands that produce egg or ova or ovum and hormones like estrogen and progesterone. These are fallopian tubes, also known as Bijvahinya in Marathi. These fallopian tubes transport the egg from the ovary to the uterus for fertilization to occur. This part is the uterus, also known as womb. It is a muscular organ that helps to accommodate a baby, and the fertilized egg comes here and the baby grows inside the uterus and it helps in pregnancy. This part where the vagina ends is known as cervix. This is the lower part of the uterus. This is the lower part of the uterus and opens into the vagina. This is the vagina and allows the menstrual blood to flow through it and through the vulva. This part is the vagina, a menstrual canal that connects the external genitalia to the uterus, and it helps in childbirth and menstruation.